Switching from Huawei to iPhone is exciting, but transferring music isn't always easy. Due to system differences. In this video, we'll show you simple and safe ways to transfer music from Huawei to iPhone without losing your songs. Way 1. Transfer music from Huawei to iPhone with phone transfer. Switching from a Huawei device to an iPhone doesn't have to mean leaving your favorite songs behind. With phone transfer, moving music is fast, safe, and straightforward. Steps to transfer music from Honor to iPhone using phone transfer. Step 1. Connect both your Huawei phone and iPhone to your PC using USB cables. Launch phone transfer and it will detect both devices automatically. Step 2. Open the Music tab on your Huawei device. Within the program, browse your library and select the songs you want to move. Step 3. Click Export to Device and pick your iPhone as the destination. The software will handle the transfer, ensuring your music appears on your iPhone without any issues. Way 2. Move songs from Huawei to iPhone via iTunes. Connect Huawei to PC and open the Music folder. Copy songs to a folder on your computer. Import them into iTunes file at File folder. Connect iPhone and click Sync Music. Select songs and click Apply or Sync. Way 3. Sync Huawei music with iPhone via Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your Huawei and upload your music to a folder. On iPhone, sign into the same account. Open the folder and stream or download the songs. Play them in Drive or move to Music app.